Okay, hey everybody, welcome to another Slightly Above video. The focus of today's video is going to be all about this Mavic Air drone from DJI. I'm hoping to share with you guys a really fun and quick way to get started, which means not a lot of details, not a lot of how-tos, not a lot of clicking around on an application, but just unbox this thing, get out and fly it, and see what we get in the end. So right after this intro, I'm going to share a 1-minute video of what I was able to do straight out of the box. I hope you're excited because I am too. Let's get to that video right now. Alright everyone, in this part of the video I'm going to give you just the basics on how to get this thing out. What I recommend is before you get on site, before you hike a few miles to that beautiful location, what I'm going to recommend is you do just a maiden flight. Just take it up to about head level, eye level, and make sure that everything is functional and working correctly. And the way you turn it on, tap the button, the power button, and then hold it down until all 4 lights light up. Do the same for the drone itself. In order to start flying, you're going to take both sticks and take them down 45-degree angles out, and you're going to see that it starts the engines, and then to get up, you take it up. Now that it's at eye level, the basics are that the left hand control stick controls your up and down, and also what you're looking at. Knowing that the 2 dots and the camera itself are oriented to the front. The right joystick is going to control the forward and backwards, as well as going to the sides, traveling to the sides. There's a lot more to understand, but I think you've got to get out there in a place where there aren't a lot of people and start to practice with this thing. Thank you very much for watching this channel. I hope that you get something out of this video. I hope you learn something, and I hope that you enjoy the content.